Hey guys, B02585 here today about this. And that one cannot pull down the cord, but there's a lock button, so. And there's a light right here. See that? Okay, so to lock the garage door, to hold 3 seconds. See, it's blinking. Oh, that's what I thought. See? See? None of this could open. Okay, to disable the vacation mode, like to unlock it, to hold 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There. You see this? Even there's a blinking. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. So I have to off and on so it won't automatically off like this. Okay. Oh, I should have known. That's what I thought when I just filmed it. That the light are blinking. And that's because it's locked. See? I'm making all this back in 2021 on February. There you go. Okay. I'm just gonna show you how to release it. Like, pull a cord. Just gonna pull down and I'll re-engage it. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy. Sorry. Please hold it. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's ready. Alright, okay, so if you do not want to reconnect, the first to do is to pull down and pull back. Oh, did I just pull back? Oh, yep, it sure did. See? If you do not want to reconnect it, like re-engage it, just pull it back. You can see this. Look. Do you see that? I'm focusing. I'm just gonna lift it up and see what happens. See? Never reconnect. To reconnect it, like engage it, you're gonna pull the forward. See? See? What? Oh, it's not! Sorry. Oh. Now I re-engage. Okay. Oh, I've seen this before. I just saw it blinking. When I say this, when I see this. It's called a lock. When you lock, it's gonna blink. 1, 2, 3. See? Blink. It never opened. See? See? Look. Never open. But you can still turn it on though. Oh, there you go. Oh, this is the black. When I press this button, for example. Oh, yeah. I remember this. When I saw that this memory card was corrupted, it's just blinking. I've seen it before, usually back in February 2021. It was a blinking. You know what it's called? It's called a lock. Yup. See that? See? Never opening. Oh, see. That's just bull crap. Okay, there we go. It's back to normal. So, now what's happened? Or usually, when you prick this, or when you press this, it's never gonna lock. It's never gonna open. Oh, sorry. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's it. I'm off. You know, before that, oh my god. Oh shit. Sorry. I better run my ass off quick before it's gonna automatically turn off. Stop this. See, I told you, I didn't turn it off. It just automatically turn it off. After it will go off automatically around like 4:30, like 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So yeah. Even I didn't turn this light off, he was on automatically. And it was 4 minutes and 30 seconds will be off. So yeah, that's all. And again, huh? Shoot. Okay, you want to do this again? Okay. Don't see this. Pulls off! See, I saved our life! That's good. Because I just resetted it.